We can do that. I need a good bevel to fucking get good penetration. Grab balls.
Alright, so I haven't really been saying much, but what's going on basically, we're taking these off and we're welding on these right here because the wastegate that I ordered came with this style instead of this one, which I hadn't checked when I got it. It totally just went over my head. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so we got these cut up and ready to get welded on. So I would weld it on myself, but this is some light work. So I'm gonna leave it right here to my boy Johnny. I know he got this. You know, he needs some training as well then anyway, so.
See about that.
Nah, he's got this. Johnny's a 5-time. How long you been welding for?
Like 3-4 days.
Okay. So, we're about to see, put him to the test. See if he's gonna pass. Nah, I got trust in Johnny. I've seen some of his welds. They're pretty good. They're good. They're good. You don't like to admit it, but he does. And by the way, this is Johnny. Johnny, this is Vlog. He's the guy behind most of my stuff. He helps me out with a lot and helps me out, give advice on the car and on whatnot. So we're about to get this done. It says it's good. So. Damn. Hell yeah. Those shits are they look good too. Woo! It looks good.
It'll hold the 3.5 pounds you're making.
Explain some stuff right now.
Huh?
So Johnny's about to explain some stuff right now about this manifold.
On your little 4-banger, your pistons, you have the 2 center ones that go up at the same time, and your 2 outer ones that go up on the same time. The way the twin scroll is set up is your 2 inners, your runners, if you follow them, feed to the one side, and And when you're on your other rotation of the crankshaft, when your two outer pistons go up, your outer runners, you follow them, they run to the other side of the twin scroll, so you'll make even boosts and you won't have weird pressure differentials.
Yeah.
Stuff. Probably not, but that's how I understand it.
The more you know. Alright, so these guys just called me up because they needed some help pulling out this motor. They don't know what they're doing. What's up?
Well, this is my S15. We're on like second day.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not even 24 hours.
Damn.
What's up? Hey, Jamie. Where you guys about to go?
Nothing, we just got back from breakfast.
Breakfast? Breakfast! Ah.
So how'd you get it over here?
Nigga, I drove it, nigga. Fucking. I was driving it.
It's not
drifting it.
With no oil in it and shit.
Hey, you're dumb. You should have checked the oil.
Oil in it. He told me the oil was fine.
I said, let me just check, see how the oil looks, and it looks alright.
I mean, it's not. It's not bad.
It's a carpet, but
You can do it comfortable, but it's not bad at all.
I told him when we wait, but he already had bought it because I didn't hear it.
that's good. Like the timing and everything. Hey, when you came yesterday and recorded, was the engine still in?
Yeah. So it'll be out right now. Like, well, we're showing that it's out. It's cool, cool. So, I mean, exactly what happened here, man. Explain to the people.
So, I was in Japan for a couple years, and I had my car, just brought it back, but we were over there in the hills in Japan. Little Mary.
I think they're right here, nigga.
What?
Oh, from the cap. But this is by the distributor cap.
Are you sure, David?
Yeah, that's from the.
Yeah, you need to pay attention.
Organized. No, it's because hell no, I'm organized with my stuff.
Put it in your starter up here.
Right, we need
Got employment's coming in, so just wait on it. You don't have to go work. You don't have to go back to work with Chirac.
Possibly. So they just have. So we just got. That's the old one. That's the new bottom block.
Well, new used bottom block,
But I mean,
but better than the old one. So right now, when he turns on the camera in a couple hours, that's it.
it should be on right now. Or going right now. Just gonna line everything up, torque all this up, torque all that up, and then it'll begin. But I don't know if I'll start today or ever, but we'll see.